If you're experiencing audio desync issues in Apex Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. This guide will help you identify and resolve common causes of audio lag. Step 1. Check audio settings. Go to the audio settings in Apex Legends and ensure that the output device is correctly set. Make sure the correct headphones or speakers are selected, and adjust the audio quality settings if necessary. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Ensure your audio drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your sound card or audio device and download the latest drivers. Install them and restart your computer to apply the changes. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be using audio resources. This includes music players, streaming services, or other games that might interfere with Apex Legends audio. Step 4. Adjust Windows audio settings. Right-click the speaker icon in the system tray and select Sounds. Go to the Playback tab, select your audio device, and click Properties. Under the Advanced tab, try changing the default format to a lower sample rate and see if that resolves the desync. Step 5. Verify game files. If the issue persists, verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher, Origin, or Steam. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which may resolve the audio desync issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the audio desync problem in Apex Legends. If the issue continues, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.